Gonna seal it. And now I'm just going to mix it as best as I can. Hi boys and girls, welcome to Dot Dot Toys. Today we're going to be making a slime bag. I bet you're wondering why we're making this slime bag. I'm going to tell you the reason why later. But first, let me tell you the simple ingredients that we're going to need. We're going to need clear hair gel, a ziplock bag, some food dye, and glitter if you want to. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to put a good amount of hair gel into my ziplock bag. Okay, I think that's a good amount. Now that I have all the hair gel in my bag, I'm going to place some green food dye in my bag. Going to seal it. And now I'm just going to mix it as best as I can. If you want it to be dark, and I'm going to tell you why in a few minutes, but try to make it dark. If it's not as dark as you want it, you can always put more food dye in it. Now if you want, you can leave it just like this, or you can put some glitter in it. We're going to try putting glitter in it. Open a little bit. I'm going to use my pink glitter. That should be enough. Seal it back up. Now we're just going to move it around a little bit more. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the glitter. You could always put more if you like. Now here comes a really cool part. I'm going to place this paper that has some letters of the alphabet. They're all lowercase. So we have the C, A, L, D, H, O, S, F, M, B, T, N, I, W, G, and K. I'm going to place this piece of paper underneath my slime bag, almost like covering it up so you don't see it anymore, just like that. And then I'm going to show you another surprise right now. Here's my surprise, all my magnetic letters, but these magnetic letters are all uppercase. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to find the lowercase letters in my slime bag. So let's pick a letter. Let's pick this letter. What's this letter? That's right, S. Let's try now to find the lowercase s. What letter do we find here? Right, O. That's not what we want to find. So keep searching. What's this letter? That's right, we found the lowercase s. Right here. Let's continue. What's this uppercase letter? That's right, H. Let's try to find the lowercase h. What's this letter here? That's right, it's a W. We don't want a W. Let's continue looking for it. Oh, what did we find here? That's right, lowercase h, right here. Let's continue looking for some more letters. Okay, let's try to find, what's this letter? That's right, an uppercase N. Let's try to find the lowercase n. Let's go up here somewhere, let's see. Oh, what's this letter? That's right, that's a B, a lowercase b. We don't want a B. What's this letter? That's right, that's a lowercase n. So we found the match, so we'll put it up here on top. Let's do one more. Let's get this letter right here. What's this letter? That's right, that's an uppercase A. So let's try to find the lowercase a. Here's my T. Don't want a T. What's this letter? That is a lowercase l. We're not looking for an L. We're looking for an A. I think I found it. What's this letter? That's right, that's a lowercase a. So we found its match. Put it right here. Well, I'm going to have some fun with my slime bag. I hope you get the chance to make your very own slime bag. If you like what you saw, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Toys. Well, that's it for now. Bye!